Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to effectively promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest in 2023. Pinterest is a fantastic platform for driving traffic and generating affiliate sales by combining the powerful of Amazon affiliate program with Pinterest's visual appeal. You can tap into a vast audience and potentially increase your earnings. So in this video or this tutorial, will guide you through the steps to process promoting, of course, your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, of course, I'm going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, you can now go and join the Amazon Associated program. So if you haven't already signed up for the Amazon Associated program, it's essential to be approved Amazon affiliates before promoting their products and earning commissions on sales generated through your affiliate link. As an example, if you are not yet, you can simply go and type here Amazon affiliates. Of course, it's not written like that. So as you can see, once you click on that, make sure to go to the first link. And as you can see, recommended products earn commissions. So what you'll simply have to do is sign up. And as you can see, you'll have to recommend their products and simply you will earn. So earn up to 10% commission and associated commissions, of course, from qualifying purchases and programs. Our competitive conversion rates helps maximum earnings. So if you know or know about it, that will be great. But if you don't know much about us, make sure to scroll down, read more information about it, search about us if you want to, then simply click on sign up and you will simply have to fill a form. As you can see, you'll have to fill some informations from like the account informations, websites and mobile app lists, profile, and start using Associate Central. Once you're done, of course, you'll have, and of course, once you are approved and you have an account, if you want to know more information about it, you can go and find another video in this channel on how to join like the Amazon Associates program or affiliates program, depending on whatever suits you. Of course, you will find everything that is related to this, and you can go and watch that video. Now, of course, you'll have to go and create a Pinterest business account. So if you don't have one yet, you can set a Pinterest business account. A business account provides access to valuable analytics and promotional tools that are crucial for tracking your affiliate marketing efforts. So as an example, let's just go to Pinterest and hit the enter button. And of course, we'll have to go for business. And simply, you'll have to go and create your account. So if you have an account, make sure to go and create one. But if you don't have an account, you can simply go and create an account for yourself. Then simply, if you want, go to the URL section, type business.pinterest.com, and this will take you to this screen right away. From here, of course, you can access your account. If you access your account, as you can see, you'll find everything that you want here about like creating analytics or everyone wants or everything we want. For us, of course, I'm just going to an example starts from here. So let's start by optimizing, as example, your Pinterest profile. So to attract followers, you will have and establish, of course, credibility, sorry, you'll have to optimize your Pinterest profile. So make sure to use a professional profile picture, write an engaging bio that reflects your niche, and include like relevant keywords. This is very important. Then Pinterest is all about visuals. So make sure to pin like high quality eye-catching images related to the products that you want to promote. Make sure to create some compiling graphics or use some products image with attractive captions or and overlays. This will attract, of course, customers to your profile and then attract them to the affiliate link that you will paste on the product or on the images or even your bio, whatever suits you. Of course, you can even go and write some keywords rich descriptions. So craft keywords rich descriptions for each pin. Use relevant keywords that users may or might like use to search for products you're promoting. And well, writing description increase the visibility of your pins and the search result. So, for example, you're going to sell a PC. Make sure to have a keyword like electronics or I don't know. Something like that. And of course, then you'll have to finally use your affiliate link disclosure. So it's essential to comply with Amazon affiliates program policies and disclose your affiliate link properly. Add a clear disclosure on each pin, and of course, or in the pin description to inform like users that they may earn commissions from purchases made through your links. And then you'll be able to organize your pins into themed boards, example, based on categories or product types. This will help users find relevant content and give your Pinterest account a structured and professional look. You can consistency like upload images and something like that. So consistency is the key on Pinterest. Pin regular to keep your account active and engage your audience. You can even use some scheduling tools to pay like strategically during peak time when your target audience is most active. You can even like leverage the group boards. Join relevant group boards in your niche or create your own group board. Group boards expose your pins to a broader audience and increase the chances of your affiliate links being shared. Then after that, of course, the final step is going to be basically like track and analyze the performance. So you'll have to regularly monitor the performance of your pins and affiliate links using Pinterest Analytics that you'll find it here, as you can see at the top left corner, and Amazon Associates reports on the other link, and identify what's working well and what needs improvement and refine your promotional strategies. And of course, as you can see, you'll be able to create like your pins from here. You can even create an idea pin. Analytics, you'll be able to see the overview from here, audience insight, trends. So basically, on this business account, you'll be able to do everything that you want, not just like the personal account. That's you'll be able to go and take like download other people picture, or simply go and upload pictures and etc. So business accounts will give you the option to even engage with other people, and of course promote your Amazon affiliate link effectively. And Pinterest is a good way, of course, to do that. So make sure to go and start your own business Pinterest account and you will be good to go. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. You now know how to effectively promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest in 2023. By combining your affiliates marketing skills with Pinterest's visual appeal and engage audience, you have the potential to increase your affiliates earnings and grow your online business. Remember to provide value to your audience, be genuine, uh, and your recommendations, and of course comply with the policies of both Amazon Associates and Pinterest, so you don't will not have or get into any trouble. So thank you for watching, and we wish you success in your affiliates marketing endeavors. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.